Today's project is getting to grips with a lower garden. We planted a little tree here last year that has now taken root, and Carl is going to do the dirty, heavy work of
Uprooting it.
Yeah.
We're actually going to move it out to our other land, where we're going to build a bigger house.
So we're going to do some shots here and show you our initial thoughts and sketches around the plants that we're thinking about doing. We want something both resistant again to the hot sun in the summers and drought. We have obviously the irrigation prepared here, but we want to have something low maintenance and resistant. But that also frames this entrance very well, because it's an important focus of coming into the property and something we've had a strong vision about from the start.
Apparently I have always loved rocks. My mom told me a story when I was young. I was probably not more than 2-3 years old. We were on vacation and we were at the beach, and I was picking all of these stones, and when we came to the car, I loaded them into the car on my side, and my father loaded them out on the other side. And I also remember when I was a little bit older, I went to a copper mine in Sweden called Falu Koppargruva, and all of these beautiful stones that was there, I just wanted to pick them all and take them home with me. So now I'm picking some stones at our plot here, and I'm going to bring them to our little townhouse, and they are going to be a part of the lower garden. So it kind of ties the two entities together.
Okay, this day's mission is getting a couple of trees for the lower garden. We're going to head on to the garden center and see what we can find. We wanted to create a nice little foundation so we can start to build something beautiful there. And we think we need to start with the rocks and the trees as the main features and build from there. Yeah, I'm thinking we're doing 5-6 clusters of plants, rosemary or something similar, perhaps lavender, but yeah, I'm thinking thyme.
So I'm gonna make some preparation now for the lower garden. So I'm gonna assemble one of these rings that goes around the trees, and then I'm going to dig 2 holes for the new trees that are coming this afternoon, hopefully. And when everything comes, we are going to try to assemble and plant everything during the afternoon, depending on what time things arrive. Okay, so in this first box I'm gonna put together 3 new lamps and the cable that goes to the other box so that we get power. And I'm using this type of connectors. So let's see how that will work. I'm gonna open these up a little bit because they are not completely open. So I'm gonna start with the brown. Brown is the line. So now I have the 3 lamps, and here comes the power. So I'm just twisting this together like that. Put one of these like that, and then screw it down. Now I'm going to try to put together the connection to the power. Because this is really sticky since they've been in a watertight box before. So I think I'm just gonna take everything apart here first. Out of the ground between these stones here. So hopefully they won't be constantly in water. Let's do it like we did before. This is going to be a little bit more tricky since this wire is a bit short. Let's see. So we have one of these boxes here. So let's start with the trickiest one. They come with 4 screws like this. Cables on one side and 1 cable on the other side. Oh crap.
So this is the type of light that we're putting into these lamps, light source, and it's this one.